Hello, my name is Lucky Banda and I am the founder of LP Technology. Our business plan addresses two main points, which are access to science laboratories and schools in Blantyre and Malawi, and number two is to access the internet and electricity. The main pain point in access to science labs is that students do not have adequate access to science labs and lab equipment, which leads to a reduced number of students taking part in STEM subjects. And we have developed an affordable web-based virtual science lab for that uses animations to simulate science experiments and to address the point of lack of access to internet, which we have a main pain point of limited access to internet and electricity. We've developed a solar-powered power supply system that teachers can use to project virtual science labs to the students using their smartphones or computers. For that reason, LP Technology has created Nthambi Virtual Science Lab. In Malawi, most students do not have access to labs, but then they come across final year examinations which involve science experiments, and most students fail to get good grades because they do not have any experience in doing any practical. So this is going to be a platform for them to have a visual of what an experiment looks like. So our main objectives are improve learning experience in STEM subjects and affordable and sustainable alternatives to building physical labs, which is very costly, very expensive, and we want to improve the attendance in STEM subjects, both in primary and secondary school levels in schools in Blantyre. And since the coming in of COVID-19, e-learning has been mandatory in the Malawian school system. And in a research done by UNICEF in the year 2022, it shows that just 7% of rural students in Blantyre and in Malawi have access to internet. And so we've taken this an advantage so we could build a gap between lack of access to science laboratories and the promotion of e-learning. And yeah, we hope that this improves a lot. And we have our marketing and sales strategy prepared in the sense that we will develop a website which will be the main market itself. When people see it and students see it, they will want to have this website, and we were planning on using school outreach, social media, referral programs, seminars, and workshops, and partnership with organizations and the institutions that will promote this product. And we've prepared some financials. This show how much we'll be making per school in the year 2026. We expect to be making $460, and for 2027 and 28, we expect 475 and $490 respectively. And suppose we have 10 schools annually, we'll be making 10 times of each of those expected costs. And for the cost of operation, we're expecting 10 schools annually. We expect it to cost at least $14,500 in next year, and 14,170 in 2027, and 15,190 in 2028. And those are the net profits that we expect after we subtract the operation costs. And from each student, we expect to get at least $12 monthly or $144 annually for the year 2026. And for the other years coming, those are the numbers. I am Lucky Banda, as I have already said. Uh, uh, I'm the sole proprietor, the founder, and the chief operations officer at LB Technology, and I have skills in web design and development, graphics design, digital marketing, computer programming, hardware, and electronics. And I have a pending bachelor's degree in software development from BYU Pathway, Idaho. And we plan to use the prize money for building the front end and the back end and creating content, remote learning, hardware purchase, domain name and hosting, marketing and outreach, operation hosting, training workshops. And in conclusion, we expect that this platform will enable the students who do not have access to science labs to at least have a visual of experiments. They can watch these videos again and again so they can improve their skills in the science experiments. And this is the link down here to the website. That this is just a prototype so that you can view our website. And then I have some pictures of our products right here. These are the dark modes of the desktop view, And these are the darker light modes on the mobile view, and this is a light mode on the desktop view. And attached is a business registration license for LB Technology, and these are the details for my bank account. Um, Thank you very much. See you in the next stage.